Alright, I hope you enjoyed the beautiful sunrise, and the sun house just woke up and it's so bright looking into my eyes. I have not gone till Hassan Road toll. I have just stopped in between itself. Gotta go home. Feel like reaching home soon. Like I said, I was exhausted and not in a mood to ride today, or I would say never in a mood to ride. That's a different story. I was never in a mood to push so much. I was in probably wanted to enjoy the nature and etc etc. See, vibration on the steering damper. If I go like this, I'll reach home very fast. Rev matching. I thought that I had forgotten how to blip, but when Karthik took the motorcycle here, he had adjusted clutch like full half clutch. I can see this is my position, and he's slightly taller, right? So it was slightly closer and it did not walk my style. So that was the scenes. And I'm 100% sure the angle is so beautiful now, because it has that essence of motovlogging. You feel like you're riding, seeing the angle, right? So I'm so glad that I was able to fix, man. I mean, RoadMac is working well. Anyone who is looking into getting into vlogging, motovlogging, don't waste money. Go for media mod, go for that particular model of GoPro, and then go for GoPro mic for road, which is TRS mic. Right, very important. Ducati. Or the same guy, last time I saw him last week, is the same guy. Interesting. Also, last time the wind noise was so high, right? Because there's a ventilation that is right in front of the chin. So last time when I was riding, that was open. I did not realize. When I was cleaning the helmet in home after the ride, then I saw that that was open. So now the vlog should come very well. And also the visor, there were some gaps, so I use very typical strategy, right? Visors tend to lose up, so a little bit of greasing, or I just put the normal oil that I use for my cardio treadmill in the sections of here and here. And then what I did keep the visor outside in a really hot sun, which potentially means plastics tend to expand and compress, right? When it expands, because most of the time while you use a visor, there will be some gaps and corners and everything. Doesn't matter it's AGV or Shui, it will happen, man. So what I did, I just kept it in the really hot sun. Then I came back and then I put it, and then I locked this, and then I closed the helmet. Morning, it was a proper snug fit. The minor gaps that was there, it already went off. This is how it works, right? Plastic, when it's expand, you can actually keep it when you actually go and lock it up. When it's in cold, it just compresses again. So then you will have a snug fit. So that's all I tried. I'm 100% sure it would work for you guys. Please do try. So that's pretty much, folks. I think I'll try to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for tuning in. It was amazing hassle of understanding GoPro vlogging and everything. I hope this helped for many peers as well and folks across. Stay tuned. I'll catch another video on the content, on the travel story, another cornering. See you. Bye. Someone has just smashed. Oh, luckily nothing has happened for anyone. God's grace. Holy shit.